India has grown leaps and bounds during the last few decades. Technology is one of the major factors that contributed to it. Thanks to the reforms, the situation created a demand for technological education. It's time we take this a step further. For aspiring engineers need a place to learn, perform and excel by striking balance between academics and contemporary technological practices. Welcome to AVNIET, a premier institution offering engineering education in the streams of CSE, ECE, EEE, Mechanical and Civil. Established in 2009, AVNIET comes from the stable of Dilsukh Nagar Public Schools under the leadership of Chairman A.V.N. Reddy. We are an AICTE recognized institution affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. And within a year from inception in the year 2010, we've reached our very first milestone of being graded a much coveted Category 1 institution by the JNTU Hyderabad. And why choose us? A mission that is highly focused on our commitment to provide quality teaching. We make sure our students become self-sufficient, resourceful and employable by providing a challenging and supportive education environment. Some still might call it a palace, but it's a temple of learning. At the modern and safe campus, we offer supportive, secure and peaceful environments with spacious classrooms, advanced labs, state-of-the-art multimedia lecture halls, well-stocked central library, computer labs with internet connectivity, surrounded by green landscapes, well-engineered amphitheatre and splendid architecture designed aesthetically. Our campus isn't just a place on the map. It's a vibrant community with something on offer for every student. It inspires learning. CSE, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at AVNIET, offers state-of-the-art computing facilities and imparts knowledge to its students to handle problems of any complexity. ECE. The field of communication is a major vertical that has seen vast changes in its development into a modern technology. EEE. Ever imagined how much know-how must have gone into producing those computer chips? The fast-paced field of electrical and electronics engineering is one of the fastest developing branches of technology. Mechanical. In mechanical engineering, students learn everything right from the design, production to quality analysis, and all these by getting to know how better to maintain optimum utilization of resources. Civil. A road to success is well laid. To match the fast-paced growth and boom in the fields of infrastructure, the Department of Civil Engineering prepares its students to become versatile civil engineers. The faculty at AVNIET is handpicked and is best from the lot. They are uber smart, dedicated and more importantly enthusiastic. They meet every student's academic needs and demands with utmost understanding and work in a close-knit partnership with them by keeping up with the emerging trends and latest developments.
It amazes me how engineering education became a norm of graduate education in India and changed the face of higher education. Yes, we are a country that produces lakhs of engineers every year. But a quick reality check tells us how many make it to the top. The reason is lack of quality education and necessary infrastructure. We at AVNIET have laid our foundation on values that focus on providing quality education coupled with global standards and splendid infrastructure. It makes me immensely proud to say that we are a college that produces engineers for life. Engineers who play a crucial role in every aspect of civilization. There's a lot for you on our platter. A doting academician, the chairman is backed by his two sons, directors Naveen Reddy and Pawan Reddy. They carry their father's vision with a dash of creativity and versatility. They utilize their international exposure in providing the college with a global outlook and bring in innovation.
Classrooms are an essence in one's academic life. Time spent in a classroom involves imparting knowledge, enlightening minds and offering the students a chance to learn, perform and excel in their academic voyage using modern tech gadgets. The Central Library at AVNIET is well stocked with textbooks, reference books, e-books and journals of national and international repute. For the sporting leisure, we've got a breathtaking platform spread across acres, encouraging students to take up sports and games. A healthy body and healthy mind is all what a student needs. Our large fleet of buses operates to and from every corner of the city and surrounding areas. They're always a lot more convenient and safer. Need a quick snack? How about we discuss this project over a cup of coffee? Our cafeteria offers lip-smacking delicacies and mouth-watering snacks to our students, faculty and staff prepared in hygienic conditions. A dedicated knowledge world here in AVNIET is a place that bridges the gap between the classroom and corporate. To be job ready, a student must be equipped with communication skills, presentation skills, problem-solving skills, reasoning ability, and English language proficiency. We train them in all areas of skills so that they can grab a dream job by meeting the demands of the corporate and industry. The world wakes up to a new innovation every day. Innovations that make our life much easier, or should we say, merrier to live. The world has shrunk and is a lot closer now thanks to the reach of technology in our day-to-day activities. We, the generation today, are proud to draw inspiration from these outstanding individuals who have dedicated and sacrificed their lives to bring to us a world of tomorrow with their discoveries and innovations. Closer home in India, we've seen quite a few personalities who have brought many reforms to our country's technological and research advancement. They are the pioneers. They are the leaders, not just in India, but all over the world. For those about to bring a change, we salute you. We prepare future-ready engineers who drive the nation's advancement in fields across various verticals. If not for the dearth in providing quality education, imagine what our nation, which produces lakhs of engineers every year, can do. The next big thing is you.